Hi everyone, and welcome to ILM Block. Now today I'll be showing you how you can add the Matic Network to your MetaMask wallet on your web browser. Now you can either use this for your web browser or use this for your mobile device, because you can also install MetaMask on your Apple, on your Android, and on your Mac. Now the first thing you need to do for those that do not already have MetaMask is to install it on your browser. Now I will be using Brave browser, so I'm installing on Brave. So now once this comes up, I would click on Add to Brave. Then I press Add Extension, and I wait for it to automatically be added to my browser. So here I'll need to set up an account. So I click on Get Started. You can either import an already existing wallet or you can create a new wallet. So I'll just create a wallet. No thanks. Now here you enter your password. Now this password is very, very important. Make sure you set a password that is strong so just nobody can access your wallet, and also a password that you won't forget, so that anytime you need to access your funds, interact with your MetaMask wallet, you don't forget your password. And now to back up your seed phrase. Now make sure you back up your private keys or your seed phrase depending on what comes up. This is very, very important because this is the only way you can recover your wallet and your funds in case anything happens. So once you back up a seed phrase, you know that whatever happens to your browser, whatever happens to your MetaMask wallet while it's on your PC, in case it gets uninstalled or removed, you can always recover your funds. And so now that I'm in the app, you would notice that what we have here is the Ethereum mainnet, which is the only network that comes by default. So to add the Matic network, the next thing you need to do is you click on this circle, you click Settings, you click Networks, and you come over to Add Network. So the network name is the Matic mainnet. RPC URL is this. The chain ID is 137. The currency symbol is Matic, and the block explorer is explorer.matic.network. So now once you're done adding this, you click Save, and automatically it gets added. So now once I cancel this page, I can see here I have the Matic network. So now do note that any fund you transfer to your Matic wallet over here would not show on the Ethereum mainnet. Now it's still the same wallet address, it's still the same thing as it is here, but because there are two different networks, funds that are here would not reflect on the Ethereum mainnet, as well as funds that are on the Ethereum mainnet would not also reflect here. So when you want to interact with any DAPP or any platform or any decentralized exchanger built on the Matic network, you need to add this network, because if not, you cannot interact with a DAPP or a DEX built on the Matic network with your Ethereum mainnet. It will not work successfully. So thank you so much for watching, and do have an awesome time. Bye bye.